How clean is your nesting box?
You willing to bet your life on it?
Here's 2 eggs from our coop. This one is obviously super gross and needs to be washed at some point before eating. But what about this one? It looks clean. But is it really?
Hey, we get it. We used to not wash our clean-looking eggs either. I mean, nature's bounty, right? But what you can't see is more like nature's booty. The reality is, unless you're looking at this bad boy underneath a microscope, there's really no telling what's actually on the surface. Ready for something crazy? Some of the cleanest looking eggs can potentially harbor the same amount or more bacteria than even the dirtiest looking eggs. Crazy, I know. But is it? I mean, after all, it did come from a butt. Here's the catch though, cleaning eggs is literally the shootiest job on the whole darn homestead, or at least it used to be. That's why we created the GoodEgg brush and all natural enzyme wash. Finally, a dedicated tool to easily wash all our eggs. So if you're someone who eats fresh eggs or shares them with your community, we made this for you, because we made it for us.
So the next time you're wondering, are my eggs really as clean as I think they are? There's a fly on my face. You can swab it, send it into a lab, wait a couple weeks to get the results back, and then decide if you want to eat your eggs. Or you could just wash it in seconds with GoodEgg.